Mastering the C1 Business Higher Speaking Section. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into the speaking section of the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher, Cambridge English exam. I know many of you find this section challenging, but fret not. We'll be breaking it down with practice exercises and sample tests. Let's get started. First things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the format. The speaking test consists of 3 parts. 1. Interview. This is a one-on-one interaction where you answer questions about work-related topics. 2. Presentation and discussion. You'll receive a business-related situation, prepare a short presentation, and discuss it. 3. Group task. Engage in a collaborative task with another candidate. It's essential to be clear, concise, and confident during each of these parts. In the BEC Higher speaking section, the topics are predominantly business-oriented. Familiarize yourself with common business terms, idioms, and phrases. For instance, terms like mergers, stakeholders, supply chain, and market niche might come up. Let's simulate a brief interview situation. Question: describe a recent project you led or participated in at work. Pause the video and practice your answer. Remember to structure it with a beginning, middle, and end, touching on the project's purpose, challenges faced, and results. Here's a sample business scenario for you to present. Your company is considering implementing a remote work policy. Discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks. Take a few minutes to organize your thoughts, and then present them as if you were in the test. Although this is a bit tricky to simulate without a partner, let's try it out. Imagine you're discussing with a colleague. Scenario: your company has an extra budget of $10,000. How should it be spent to improve the workplace? Jot down your ideas. In the actual test, you'll need to negotiate, agree, or disagree politely with your partner's suggestions. 1. Stay calm. Nervousness can affect your fluency. Take deep breaths before answering. 2. Clarify if unsure. If you didn't understand the question, it's okay to ask for clarification. 3. Structure your responses. Always have a clear beginning, middle, and end in your answers. 4. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And that wraps up our deep dive into the speaking section of the C1 Business Higher Cambridge English exam. Remember, with ample practice and the right strategies, you can ace this. Keep practicing, and I hope you found this session invaluable. Until next time, happy learning!